Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to have some soft rich coconut wheat bread. Very simple and delicious. Please subscribe for me if you have not yet done so. Like and share this video. We are going to start by activating our yeast, and I have a lukewarm water 100 ml. I just added a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of dry yeast. So I'm going to mix everything, then I'll cover with a cling film, set it aside for 5 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes for the yeast to activate very well. Okay, so this is my wheat flour, 4 cups. I'm using 4 cups of the wheat flour. This is the cup, 4 of it. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of grated coconut. You can decide to blend it, but I grated it. So you're going to mix everything, and I'm going to add the other dried ingredients, also to it. So I'm going to add my salt, half a tablespoon. Then I'm going to add my nutmeg, 1 tablespoon. This is 1 tablespoon of milk flavor. Yes. So let's mix it very well. I'm going to add my honey. This is half cup of honey. And I'm going to add 2 eggs. Okay, then I'm going to add my cooking oil. This is coconut oil. You can use margarine or butter, and half cup of milk. I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description box. That is, I added 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor. So check the description box or the comment section for the full recipe, the ingredients and its measurements. So let's mix everything. I'm going to take my hands in, and I'm going to mix it. Okay, so let's mix everything together. Please do well to like this video for me, share and leave a comment as well. I'm going to add my activated yeast. So my yeast has activated very well, and I'm going to add everything to it, and then we'll keep on mixing it. Please do well to click on the notification bell so that when I upload a new video you will get notifications. And bear in mind, subscription is free. Just click on the subscribe in black. It is written in black. So I just sprinkle a little bit of water, and I'm using my hand mixer to try and knead the dough, mix it very well. Okay, so if you have a stand mixer you can use that one. So I'm taking everything off, and it's very soft, so I decided to just apply a little bit of flour on it, and we are going to knead this on our chopping board. So I'm applying flour, sprinkling some flour on the chopping board. I'm going to knead this. You have to knead it till you realize that you have gotten the texture the way you want. Okay, so please like, subscribe. Subscription is free. Okay, and do leave a comment as well. So I try to do both flour and oil, and at a point I used oil. So I'm just going to let this relax for 10 minutes, cover for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes you are going to knead it again. Now it has relaxed very well. I try to use the oil and the flour interchangeably. You can decide to use just one of them, but I try to use it interchangeably. So I'm kneading this very well. Okay, knead so you realize that you are okay. When you press on it, try to bounce back. Okay, so I'm going to place this and put this in my book, cover for 30 minutes for it to rise or double in size. Do you get it? Okay, so after 30 minutes, this is it, and so I'm going to knead it again. I'm going to knead it again. Okay, Please do all to like, share, and leave a comment for me. Okay, so let's knead this bread, but I'm going to divide it into two this time around. I'm dividing it into two equal parts. Okay, and we are going to work on this one. I'm applying oil on my rolling pin, and then I'll be kneading it a bit, and then we'll roll it and mold it into a baking pan. I've already greased my baking pan and then lined it with parchment paper. So a little bit of flour to help smoothen the back. Okay, so we are going to roll it. And I have some of the grated coconut there. I'll be sprinkling it on it. This time around, I'm not making use of raisins, but you can add raisins to it if you want. And then you're going to so just mold it this way. And then I will pinch it and then roll it on the chopping board so everything forms well. So this is my baking pan. I'm using the ceramic baking pan. And then I'm going to use aluminum one coated with some black whatever non-stick one, but I've still greased it and then line it with a parchment paper. This is non-stick one, non-stick baking pan. So I'm going to cover this and then place it in the sun for 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes. Yes, I kept it in the sun for 1 hour 30 minutes. So this is it. Now we are going to bake this in our gas oven for 30 minutes on a lower heat or low heat. Yes, so this is it after the 30 minutes. Our bread is ready. Coconut wheat bread, ready to be enjoyed. You are going to love this, so do well to give it a try. Okay, so let's slice the bread for you to see. You see, very soft. You see, this is our coconut bread. So we are going to have some avocado, add avocado to it and enjoy it. Very sumptuous. You see, so I'm enjoying it. You can also try and then enjoy it. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Bye bye.